If you're unable to send or receive direct messages on your TikTok account, this is the perfect video for you. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how to solve the direct message issue. So let's say I'm messaging KB Lane and I want to say hi, and I can because I don't have a community strike, but what you get is this message and you can't send a direct message. Now this is usually a temporary community strike, so it's probably gonna last for days or a week, but if your issue has not solved for over that period of time, here's what you can do. Go back to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal bars on the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, go down to report a problem. Now you want to tap on interaction, and from here you want to tap on direct message. Now tap on other, and now tap on need more help. In this section, go ahead and type out what I've typed out. And you can also attach a screenshot of a message that hasn't been sent. Now once all that is done, you can go ahead and tap on submit, and in a few days a TikTok support staff will reach out to you and will further assist you on your problem. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.